Hello everyone. So if you want to insert a microSD card into your Realme C67, well, first of all, we have to turn off our phone because it's always a good practice for safety and proper operations. So you are to hold your power button, here it is on the side of your screen, and your volume up button. Hold them simultaneously, you will summon your power off menu and choose your power off option. Now give your phone a couple seconds to be powered off. After that, let's locate our SIM tray. So it's on the left side, right here. To take it out, we have to use our SIM ejecting tool. Usually you can find it in your box, however, if it's not there, maybe you've lost it or something else, a straightened paper clip will also work. However, if you don't have it as well, any kind of thin object which can enter this hole will work. So now grab your SIM ejecting tool, grab your phone and insert it right here. Give it a soft push and now take out your SIM tray. So now that Realme C67 uses Nano SIM card, so make sure you have the correct size. Here I have a place for your SD card and 2 SIM cards. Now grab your SIM card and insert it. So find the right place for it and insert it, just like this. Now grab your second SIM card and insert it as well. Also make sure to do this carefully because this particular construction is not fitting your SIM cards smugly and they can fall out. So after we loaded our SIM tray, let's put it back to our phone. Just like this. Now let's check if they are working. So let's turn on our phone by pressing on our power button. Let's give it a couple minutes to load up. Alright, after our phone has loaded up, as you see right here at the top right corner, both things has been successfully detected and it means we've done everything correctly. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.